Today I am ditching the dollar store and I'm simply going through my old Christmas decor to see if I can make some really cute centerpieces for this Christmas season. I hope it inspires you to look at your old decor in a new light, and so you don't have to toss it and get rid of it, but just repurpose it and use it in a different way. Enjoy. So for the first centerpiece, I started off by taking the same basket that I used in my fall centerpiece. If you missed that video, you can go back and check it out. But I took the same thing, I put some books in it to be able to raise my the stuff that I wanted in the centerpiece up some. This basket is really deep, and so I needed something to raise it up with. So I took some books, I have a wood block, anything you can find. Then I took just a regular garland that I had put some flocking on and wound it around until it was sort of oval shaped and just squished it down on the basket. It creates a great filler for your centerpiece and it just adds to the look of it. Next, I took this little Christmas tree. I don't even know how many years we've had this thing. I don't even remember where we got it. I think we got it at a garage sale, but we're gonna take it and I just put it in on the left-hand side there. I like to arrange my centerpieces with a taller piece and then like a middle height and then a shorter height. So I'm starting with this taller piece here on the edge of my centerpiece, and then I took this little away in a manger plaque that I made. I made so many of these several years ago. If you'd be interested in knowing how to make these, let me know. I can absolutely do a video on that as well. I made these for gifts, for people to buy. And they're so easy to make. But anyway, I'm using it in the centerpiece this year. It's going to serve as my higher piece, and then I just used this little ornament that I bought I think last year at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it as sort of that shorter piece. So now your eye has the taller piece, the middle piece, and then the lower piece to kind of look at. I made these little gingerbread men. Oh my goodness, I don't even know how many years ago. They're so cute, but I made these and we're going to just stick those in throughout the arrangement. I may do a video on how to make those little gingerbread men too here at some point if you'd be interested in that as well. They're so cute and they last for years. I just fill in everything with some ornaments. I always have lots of ornaments left over, so I just use those. I picked this pine cone up out of my yard and put some white paint on it, I think it was, and then squished it in there as well. More gingerbread men. We really love gingerbread men around our house. Do you like gingerbread men? Tell me if you like gingerbread men. We love them. I think they're just the cutest little thing at Christmas time. Then I took this ribbon. I have this ribbon on my Christmas tree as well, so I just thought if I put it in the arrangement, it would, one, take up a little bit of filler space, and two, it also ties in with our Christmas tree and all the other things that we have around our house this season. We're going with a very traditional red and green type of a theme, so this fit in perfect. I bought this wreath a while back, but I bought it at a Goodwill store and it was only $3 for the wreath and the berries, the whole thing. It was only $3. So I'm just gonna sort of deconstruct it here and begin to put it in as filler in my centerpiece. It just gives it a little extra color and dimension, so it worked out perfect. Another way you can use your same items but use them in a different way is to take some spray paint like I did here. I just took my little berries outside, took some gold spray paint and spray painted them, and they turned out looking, I think, really cute. So I'm just going to add those in here too. It gives a little extra different color to the arrangement as well. Next, I took this little Christmas pick that someone had on a gift last year that they gave to us. I thought it was really cute, so I just stashed it away and stored it, and I'm going to disassemble it and add it in also for a little extra color and a little whimsy to the centerpiece. And there you have it. This is what it turned out looking like. I think it looks super cute, especially to know that we use old Christmas decor to make something new and festive for this Christmas holiday season. For centerpiece number 2, I started off with this little tray. It's the same tray I used for my fall centerpiece, if you saw that video, but we just took everything out and we're going to reuse it for the Christmas one. I just brought in my lantern again. I took my candle out that's usually in it for my other decor and took it out and filled it with ornaments. There's nothing new here. I know we've seen it done a lot, but that's what I did here. Then I took this little Christmas tree and I thought it might work, but it didn't work because it competed too much with the height of the lantern. So I took it out and you'll see me, I just start trying all different kinds of things to see if it'll work. Again, it was too high, competed with the lantern. Really, this can just be a thing of trial and error. You just kind of put what you have in there, see if you like it, if you don't like it, and just see what looks right to you. Have fun with it. I think sometimes we get so obsessed with having everything perfect that we lose the fun in it. So have fun. I really liked the little countdown to Christmas sign in it. I thought it was cute, but it was too short. So again, what did I do? Went looking for something to lift it up to make it a little bit higher in the arrangement. I started off with these wood blocks. You'll see later on I changed that out for something else, but it gave me a good idea of what it could look like. Then I put this little fake whipped cream cup in there and I thought it was cute, but I wasn't real sure. Again, I'm just playing around with everything. And by the way, if you want to know how to make those whipped cream cups, I will try to link that video either right here or at the end of this video. Next, I started taking just some greenery that I had laying around and began to fill in the bottom of the tray with that to see if I could get a better feel for how it would all end up in the very end. I have this cute little snowman that I bought, I don't even know how many years ago. We've used him over and over again, so I put him in here as well. My sign was now a little too short, so I decided to use this old pickle jar to lift my sign up some. So I took it outside and I ended up spray painting it with gold paint, and I ended up using it here just like this. I am fortunate enough to have a magnolia tree in my front yard, so I took some of the magnolia leaves that had fallen on the ground and spray painted them gold and stuck them in here as well as filler. I Also added in some of the same ribbon into this centerpiece, as well as some of the berries, just like I did in the previous centerpiece. Next, I took some of the same ribbon and just made a simple bow and attached it to the top of my lantern. And there you go. This is our finished project. I think it turned out really cute with all the reused and repurposed Christmas decor. If you enjoyed this video, I think you might also enjoy this next video, and I'll see you next time.